Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are doing well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of kitchen. In this video you will see the very wonderful kitchen ideas. I hope that you are gonna love this collection. All the kitchen designs beautiful, so stunning and classy. That after watching this video, I hope that you will love all these kitchen design. In this video you're gonna love these kitchen design ideas. These are basically of kitchen designs and this is the best collection for them. So just like you other collection on my channel. I hope that you are gonna love this kitchen design collection just like you love the other collection on my channel. Precious collection, your positive feedback tells me in the comment section that you are loving my video. My video are useful and helpful for you. So just visit my channel and check the other home decor ideas on my channel in this video. So please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon you will get all notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And friends, I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. Then don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this design for how was this video, how are the design of kitchen for those people who love to modern kitchen ideas. This is the best collection for them. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. For more ideas, for more collection, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. I hope you will like my ideas. Then don't forget to tell in the comment section. I will help you to choose for next. You will get ideas for them. So I hope that you are loving these designs. So if you want watch more collection on different type of decor design, luxury bedroom ideas, modern kitchen ideas, and so you can visit my channel and check the other home decor ideas on my channel. Thank you so much guys for support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. For more ideas, for more collection, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. Goodbye dear viewers.